as well the individual that was spoke about on here, Abu Hasan al-Ma'ribi, Ali Halabi says about some of the issues and the mistakes that Abu Hasan al-Ma'ribi fell into. It cannot take him out of the fold of Salafiyah. Like Abu Hasan al-Ma'ribi is the one that called some of the Sahabas al-Ghutha'iyah, scums. To call some of the Sahabas Ghutha'iyah. But Ali Halabi said that if it comes from a Sunni, it's not considered as an insult. So Shaykh Salih Fawzan was asked about this. He said, this is insulting the Sahabas. None of the Sahabas are scum. All of them are elites. And they're the best of this nation. Abu Hasan al-Ma'ribi is the same one that said about some of the Sahabas that they have khalal fi tarbiyah. They have some deficiency in their upbringing or their cultivation. Abu Hasan al-Ma'ribi is the one that brings doubts regarding accepting the news of one channel of a trustworthy in certain matters. Abu Hasan al-Ma'ribi is the one that came with so much fitna in Yemen, and he is the one we're going to hear for ourselves. Like he deems Ikhwan al-Muslimin from Ahl Sunnah, and you'll see what he has to say.
هذا بالنسبة لكلام عن السلفيين، لكن خليني في حديثي عن الإخوان المسلمين وعن السلفيين. وإن كنت أرى أن الجميع هم من أهل السنة والجماعة، وأن الجميع بإذن الله سبحانه وتعالى يتفق على أصول أهل السنة والجماعة، ولا حاجة لتطوير الخلافات وتصعيدها إلى أمور لا تحمد من تبديع وتضليل إلى غير ذلك.
Here he's saying that the Ikhwan al-Muslimin, the Salafis, they're all Ahl Sunnah, and there's no need for them to make these big issues amongst themselves and to call each other innovators. This is Ikhwan, he's defending Ikhwan al-Muslimin. As well, he got involved and became a member of two political groups where it just became politics. And he says as well, Abu Hasan al-Ma'ribi is the one who says in an interview press that he was advising Shaykh Muqbil about his reputation, about Qardawi. So all these issues, Abu Hasan al-Ma'ribi, when it's all presented to Halabi, he continues to defend and make excuses, and even wrote a book to defend his stance, and we're going to see that.
أحسن الله إليكم وبارك فيكم. هنا يسأل السائل: هل صحيح ما يشيعه البعض بأن الشيخ عبد المحسن وفقه الله ألف هذا الكتاب للدفاع عن أبي الحسن؟ أبدا.
So here's another issue where Ali Halabi and many of his companions, when the book Rifqan Ahl Sunnah bi Ahl Sunnah be gentle, Ahl Sunnah came up for Shaykh Muslim Abbad, they were using it as a refutation against those who critiqued them about Abu Hasan al-Ma'ribi. So this question was raised to Shaykh Salih Suhaimi, who's close to Shaykh Muslim Abbad and knows one of the reasons why he authored that book. And he says no. When he was asked, was this for Abu Hasan al-Ma'ribi? He said abadan, never.
أبدا. شيخنا الشيخ عبد المحسن لما سئل في المسجد قال: هذا ألفته لإخواني أهل السنة السلفيين لا لغيرهم. لم أقصد كذا قال: لا أقصد الإخوان ولا أقصد التبليغ ولا أقصد فلان ولا فلان، إنما أقصد توجيه إخواني أهل السنة فرفقا أهل السنة بأهل السنة. هذا كذا.
So this shows you that all these people, from them, the heads of them, Ali Halabi and them, using that book as to defend against those who critique them for defending Abu Hasan al-Ma'ribi, or not saying that he's an innovator, or saying that this book was for him. This shows you that that claim was not true. And here's some beautiful words of our Shaykh Yahya concerning Ali Halabi as well.
علي الحلبي ما قد تخلص من أبي الحسن، تخلص ولا عاد ما زال وارق معه، ما زال معه، ولا تخلص من عدنان عرعور، ولا تخلص من المغراوي.
So here Shaykh Yahya says Ali Halabi, out of all this time, he hasn't freed himself from Abu Hasan al-Ma'ribi, nor Adnan Arur, nor Maghrawi.
ولا تخلص من أسامة القوصي، ولا تخلص من إحياء التراث.
He said, nor has he freed himself from Usama al-Qusi. Usama al-Qusi, even another fitna that Ali Halabi played a role in, where Hasan Al Halabi was a man that came with so many matters that deviate from the manhaj of the Salaf. He even said that the ruler of a Muslim country could be a Nasrani. And this is found in audio for him. So there's no problem in that whatsoever. You can find a lot of deviation, and this man's condition has become worsened. And with all of that, excuses if this person is someone that is Salafi or not.
يقول ما زال أزورها وبينك أنا وياها مناصحة لا أخفيكم أنني مثلا ولا أخفيكم أنني يعني ماذا ما أكل لها إلا كذا الود أو ما إلى ذلك. هذا هو مميع علي الحلبي مميع يا إخوان.
So then as well, he says he didn't free himself from Jami'at Ihya Turath. Out of all the clarifications that came, and he says that I do not hide from you all, that I from time to time I have goodwill with them, I visit them from time to time. This, so Shaykh says Ali Halabi is a mumayya, someone that watered down the methodology of the Salaf. And we're going to see that clearly, as we mentioned.
دعوته دعوة تمييع أشد من دعوة المميعين عندنا في اليمن.
He said his call is a da'wah of that is watered down. You're going to see that a lot of issues that should be taken with a strong hold and seriousness, he waters them down. And Ali Halabi long ago was advised by Shaykh Al-Allama Muhammad ibn Abdul Wahhab al-Banna rahimahullah concerning his stance, Abu Hasan Al-Maribi. We're going to hear the audio. So Ali Al-Halabi was advised by Allama Shaykh Muhammad Abdul Wahhab al-Banna rahimahullah about Abu Hasan al-Maribi. He said I even called him over the phone and advising him regarding his mistakes. So it's not like Ali Halabi was someone that he doesn't know the issue or it wasn't clear to him. A number of scholars, they're telling them of even their personal encounters with Abu Hasan al-Maribi and their experiences with him. And with all this, you find that persistence.